Alright, this is the cable tester project for audio electronics. We got our 9-volt battery, got some alligator clips, we have the light emitting diode, our LED, we have a bunch of resistors, and we got a guitar cable. So what we're going to do is we're going to test this guitar cable, see if it works. First thing we're going to do, we're going to connect alligator clip to the negative terminal on the 9-volt and one to the positive terminal. Next, we're going to take a resistor. A resistor needs to be 450 ohms or more because the LED has a current of 0.0 amps, of a maximum current of 0.02 amps that it can handle before it'll burn out on 9-volt battery. So you use Ohm's law, you go 9 over the 0.02, you get 450. So we found this resistor. It's like a blue and brown, which will make it 660. Hopefully that won't be too much. Hopefully that'll still have enough, it won't resist too much, so this will still be able to light up a little bit. So we're going to take a resistor, get onto this positive side, get onto another alligator clip. We're going to hook this alligator clip onto this sleeve of maybe. We'll go to the tip, and we won't hook on this sleeve. Next, we're going to take another alligator clip, connect to this sleeve, then connect that sleeve to its tip. Hold on. What's going on there? We got these two connected. Going to take another alligator clip from this sleeve. Going to connect our negative side to our light emitting diode. And then we're going to connect our positive side and see if that works. Alright, it did not work. Make sure we got everything connected well. Well, if I did this right, our cable isn't working. I don't know if that's right, but what we got is we have our positive terminal right here, traveling through the alligator clip, through our 660 resistor, which then travels through another alligator clip to our tip right here, which then is going to travel all the way to this tip, this end. Then we got this tip going to its sleeve, which then comes to this side sleeve. Then we have our sleeve connected to our LED, and then we have our LED connected to the negative side. Now, hang on, I think I actually know what we did is we connected negative to positive, positive, negative. Let's try this. Oh, and there we go. It lit up. See, the problem was that, oh, there it is. Yep, it works. Cable works. The only problem was that we had the negative side connected to the positive side of the LED and positive current of the 9-volt battery connected to the negative side of the LED, and obviously that does not work. But our LED is working fine. Didn't blow it up, so we used the right amount of resistance, and our cable works. There you go.